Hello, La Pluma students, and welcome to a new art lesson. Today we're going to do a type of art that is very new to me, and it is called continuous line drawing. So here is an example of a continuous line drawing by an artist named Miriam Tribe. Here is how her name is spelled. Miriam Tribe. And this is actually a calendar that I bought of her artwork, and it's just, I love it so much that I thought I would give it a try. So I am brand new to drawing with a continuous line, and I want to show you some of my first attempts because they're not great, but they're not horrible. But I think it's fun as an artist to be a learner, and so it doesn't have to be perfect, right? We can just give it a try and see how it goes. So here's my very first continuous line. I did one line the entire time. If I stopped and picked up my pen, then I put it right back down in the same spot that I'd left off. So it's one long line. Here was another attempt. And here is a third attempt. So you can see that this is not something I'm very experienced at, but it's something that I'm working on trying, and it's something fun and new and different. And I think if I keep working at it, I'll get better. So watch this video of Miriam Tribe. You can see a picture of her and some of her artwork samples, and then also there's a video of her doing her continuous line process. And that video is sped up, so it's going to look like she's going really fast, but actually she's drawing more slowly than that. Okay, enjoy. Okay, so we are going to attempt to draw this portrait of this man with one continuous line, which means we are not picking up our pen or pencil and starting in a new spot. We are continuing with one line the entire time through the picture. If we pick up our pen or pencil, we put it back down in the same place. We have this whole blank page, and when Miriam Tribe does her continuous line, she really knows what she's doing. She's practiced it so many times. But since this is our first time, we're going to create kind of a map, or like a dot to dot, to help us know where to go in our drawing. So we're going to start with two eyes, just two black dots, and then we're going to do a dot for the nose, and a very small smile line for the mouth. And then let's do kind of a rainbow line up at the top for the top of the head. And that will just give us sort of a map. So we've got our two eyes, our nose, a small mouth, and the top of the head. Okay, this will kind of help us just to know where we're going. And I'm going to go very slowly because I have not practiced continuous line very much. These were some of my practice faces, and as you can see, they're good effort, but they're just beginning level, which is totally fine. Okay, so our goal is to not break the line. So I'm going to start by just coloring a bigger circle here for this eye, and then I'm going to go straight across and do the same thing over here with this eye. And then without picking up my pen, I'm going to go down to the nose and connect that dot and curve up and kind of make like a little nostril loop right here. And from there, I'm going to go below the mouth. So I'm making the chin right here. So I came below the mouth. Excuse me. Now I'm going to go up here, and I'm going to come under the nose. So I'm basically going to start his mustache now. So I always want to put my pen or pencil back where I last left it if I pick it up. I'm going to do a smiley face to the right, and then a smiley face back to the left, a smiley face to the left this way, and notice I'm always putting my pen back on the same dot where I left off, smiley face back to the right. And I'm going to add one more stroke to each side of the mustache. So right, left, left, right, and we end back in the middle again. Okay, now I'm going to come down to the mouth and follow the mouth, and then down, and I'm going to give him a beard. And I am just doing up and down curved lines for the beard. And I'm going to come back to the center of the mustache. From the center of the mustache, I'm going to go back down to the beard, and then I'm going to go around the entire thing to make the top of the head. And I'm going to go around again and make the glasses. So just circling each eye, and make an ear here. Follow that line and make an ear on the other side. And I do some hair right above the ear there. Follow that forehead back. Make some hair over here. And I think I did it. It looks totally different than my other continuous line drawing did. But I think it's good. I like it. Okay, I'm going to try one more continuous line portrait. And this time I'm not going to describe it as much. I'm just going to kind of try to free-form it. But I'm still going to give myself a little roadmap. So here are my eyes, my nose, mouth, top of head. And I don't know what I'm going to do yet. I might try to do the man with glasses, or I might try to do something different. I'm just going to see what happens. Okay, so the point though is to not lose that continuous line. So if I pick up my pen, I put it right back where I left it. So I'm going to start with this eye, and I go up to the forehead and down to this eye. I go back up. Now down to the nose and curve around to the mouth. Make a chin. Go all the way around the head. I feel like making a big open mouth here. So I'm going to trace it several times. And this one, I kind of am seeing a girl maybe. So I'm going to give her hair like this. All right, and there she is. Kind of fun, very different.